Morning all, hopefully you can see me. It's a bit dark in here, but never mind. Yes, that was a bit rough last night. It wasn't rain so much. It did rain, but I don't think it rained as much as what they sort of said. It was the wind. It was very windy in the night. Yeah, and I was quite surprised because there's a young couple over behind me, and well, they just got a cheap tent, and I'm surprised it's still standing this morning, but it is. I spoke to the young lad who said it was fine. He had his earplugs in, so he never heard a thing. So yeah, so yeah, we're off to the Isle of Wight, as you know. Forecast isn't looking good for there either tonight. I mean, it's wet and windy again tonight, but hey ho, it'll be fine. Right, I shall just finish packing up, and well, and then we'll get on that road. Right, let's get going. Go through these woods once more. There's rain due in. I think, I don't know, it might have said about 9 or 10, I can't remember. I'm hoping that we'll be on the ferry when the rain comes in, although come on, close please. But I wouldn't like to guarantee it. Oh, right. It's rather mild, blimey. Oh God. Sure sign that it's probably going to rain. That's definitely looking a bit brighter over to the left. And it feels as if that's the sort of direction of the wind, like a south easterly, which will be a pain. Right, I'm going to have to take a layer off. The ponies seem to be hiding today. Where are you lot? Come on. Might not see you again this year. At least we haven't got too far to go today. I'll probably have to be quite selective tonight where I pitch the tent, because there's more strong winds and rain coming in. And of course up there on that cliff right next to the sea, there's no hiding, so we could be going behind that pod just to give a little bit of shelter. See the old puddles from the rain last night. Although, as I say, I don't think that rain was as hard as what they said, unless I was being kept awake so much by the wind. And when the rain came, I was fast asleep. Just stopped to take a layer off, and I saw a lady coming towards me with her dogs. Recognised her. She only her boy used to go to school with my boy. Oh, blimey, unbelievable how you recognise people. So I don't know her name, and I still don't, to be honest, but I recognise the face. They run the camping and, no it's not, it's the Caravan and Motorhome Club site. Yeah, they run the Caravan and Motorhome site just up that way. She said that they've been there for the last 8 years. And funny enough, in my memory I recall seeing something about them on Facebook. I don't know whether I'm friends with her on Facebook. I don't really look that much. I remember seeing her on there saying that they said they'd sold their home or gone into a morning or went just into their motorhome then. You can't go anywhere these days without bumping into somebody you know. Right, turn you back. Go away, wind, we don't want you. Oh, bad timing. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Oh. I might pop into the village and just get a sandwich for later, because I always tend to forget to get anything, and I'm halfway across the island when I get hungry and don't have anything. Blimey. We've hit that wind, now we're out of the woods. That clear sky soon disappeared. Blimey, looks now raining over there. I think we'll get going. As I say, I'd like the rain to come when we're on the ferry. Would be extremely handy. Oh, wonder if there's water in that ford today. I would have thought so. Oh. Right, let's have a look. Morning. Nope, blimey. What's going on? Bone dry again. That does surprise me. We can find a smooth route through it than we normally do. I was wondering about going down the main road, since it's half term. The roads aren't quite as busy, but I'll see. I think I'll go down the first bit, and then we can always cut over to the cycle route halfway down. That's annoying, the gate's down. Maybe not go on the main road. Who said this would be a quiet route today? Yeah. Come a bit closer, mate. Yeah, we can come off this a bit further down if we need to, but we'll see how it goes. I did stop and let most of the traffic through from the lights, but yeah, there's obviously a lot more. But I came on a detour. Oh, there's some, just to get one last photo with the ponies. That is definitely a bit of an easterly, because I can feel it on my back here. Typical. Could have done with that when we went down Swanage the other day. Well, you're not going to keep still, are you? Or maybe you'll just cross the road. They don't look left or right, do they? Oh, that's it. What now? Disappear. Right, I think I might give up on this. He thinks they know there's rain coming in and they're running off for shelter. There was loads more in the direction they're heading. sheltering under the trees. Right, right, that was a waste of time then. Mind you, there is a glimmer of bright sky right over there in the distance. Oh yeah, I think we did avoid the traffic with the gates coming down, because there's a load just gone past. So it might have done us a favour coming down here. Here's where we could go left, or do we continue straight on? I mean, it might be better going that way. Be a bit more sheltered, and well, we're not in any rush. Well, apart from to get away from the rain. Right. Yeah, I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna be good. Yes, and if I can work it out, instead of coming out or Lymington on this main road, oh morning, we can keep going, and we can come out on the bottom road near the ferry. I might just have to, I think it's by that pub, the Red Lion, I think is where we change route. And instead of going down to the left of it, which we normally do, and that brings us out on that main road, if we go past it and round that way, I think I'll have to stop and have a look. Oh yeah, I discovered the other day when we was at Longmeadow, they have a charging locker in the, like where the washing machine is. Never noticed it before. So, well, we charged everything up again last night, so that was quite handy. I charged my big battery pack up, which tends to, well, it used to last over a week, but now with the new phone, well, new to what I had and the new GoPro, it doesn't seem to last as long, but still lasts 3 or 4 days. But yeah, it's fully charged again, so we don't have to worry about charging anything now till we get home, in theory. Look, bright sky ahead. Oh yes, keep coming. Right, this is where we would have come out if we'd have gone the cycle route. Roydon Lane, that's it. Right, that. Right, I'm just going to have a look at the map. Right, but we could go that way. I remember now, I've just seen it. It is where I said we sort of turn left at the pub and not go down the side of it. Yeah, because it takes us up Vickers Hill, which I remember. But now I've seen that, I'm wondering whether I'll just go down to Lymington and get back on that main road. Don't like the thought of having to go up a hill. Oh, blimey. Oh, yes, because this brings us out at Boldre, not Boldre. This is where I'm on about. Road closed. Which one though? Oh, one that we want to go down as well. Maybe we can get past. Oh, it's cool. I wonder. Have a little look. It's a bit narrow, but hopefully it's just this bit. Ooh, balls. It looks. That could have come from the left, perhaps. Blimey. Oh, we've got a toilet in our way now. There you go, that's good. This should be a nice quiet road now. See, here we go, back on that main road. It's rather busy, but actually we just can go on the path actually. That's it, I think we don't have to go on the road for a bit, we come round this way. Except I probably wanted to be on that bit on the right. Oh, never mind. I just thought, I think we do want to get to camp as early as possible, because I think I saw the rain coming in a lot earlier today. Yes, I remember when I looked this morning thinking, oh great, that'll be about the time we get to camp, so maybe we can get a bit of a wheel on. 1 mile to the ferry. Although I don't know the times. I've just had a quick look at the timetable for the ferry. We just missed one. Typical. Yeah, they go on the hour. So I think we'll just take a quick trip down to Lymington Harbour, and then we'll go and get a ticket. Yeah, we got 55 minutes, that's fine. Let's just take a couple of photos and get going again. And why? We've taken pictures here before. No, oh, definitely looks better on a sunny day. Go back this way. Despite the cobble. Oh, God. Take a picture when we get moving. Since there's no people there. Bloody hell, feel that wind now on the coast. I must remember to get the old pensioners rate. Just coming round the corner. Come on, I want to get on there. Get over that island as soon as possible. That's bloody windy here. We're just coming into port. Did for a little while debate going along that cycle route to freshwater. Only very briefly. That hill going into freshwater, that would have been a bit too much. Now I'm not liking that direction of wind. Bloody hell. Oh, getting those lanes might be a bit sheltered. Actually, it might be blowing up the River Yar there. Oh, that's a bit better. It's starting to rain. Ooh. Hopefully it might just be a quick shower. I'll just come past, please. Sorry. Oh, hello, you. You got a lot of energy, mate.
Sorry.
It's fine, don't worry. Come on, it does look as if this could be just a quick shower. I'm living in hope. Right, I think I'm going to have to put you away. It doesn't seem as if it's easing off. Oh, I need to stop. I got my waterproof jacket out before we left camp. I didn't get my blooming cap out though. So I'll find somewhere to stop and I'll put you away. I don't know whether I'm going the right way for some reason. I feel I should have gone up a hill back there. Oh no, I think maybe we turn right up here. Really shouldn't be looking at a map. I mean, God, we've done this road so many times. Yeah, there you go. Brighstone, right, that's it. That is the road, but we've just come past it because I thought before we start going up that hill I'd get my cap out. Oh look. Look at that stone. How cool. Ah. Yeah, just by, where are we? I don't know. Some church. I don't know which church it is. Oh, Forley. Must be Forley Church. I think. Yeah, Forley Church. There you go. Right. Get back up that hill. Hopefully now I've got my hat out it won't rain. Right. Not that it's a lot of good on its own, but hey ho. It's the cap bit that is useful. Keeps the rain out of my eyes. Right, let's see if we can get back on. Oh God. Right, let's go, let's go. Ooh. Right. Right. Oh, funny angle now, right. Turn you back. Right. This is the road on the left here, as I say. We just came past it so we could get our cap out. Oh, it's a long old hill this. And it's going to be against the wind. Oh. My daughter just texted me to say I'm mad cycling in this. I think I'm probably mad at camping in it. Oh, a bit of calm. It's just gone 11. I'm hoping it should be. I'm at camp by 1. I'll stop in the village and get supplies because we won't have to go out tonight. Hopefully the burger van should be open, so we'll get fish and chips tonight. Oh, you come in. Good man, at least you said thank you. Yes, I'll get the fish and chips. I think I should have burnt off enough calories to have that today. But no, my lucky won't be blooming open. Never mind. Oh, It's grey all around though, apart from that little bit to the right there, which I'm hoping is coming our way. Actually, now I think of it, I think it's more of a southerly breeze. I remember looking, because I think it's a southerly wind tonight, and then switching round to the southwest, which, so I might have to pitch the tent one way tonight and then maybe change it tomorrow when the wind changes direction. Oh, nearly there. So we just stopped for a car. Oh God, should have stopped. I just saw the sea. I think, to be honest, we've probably got the worst of the hills over with now, and it looks as if it's brighter weather. Can even see blue sky. That'll be handy if it stays dry till we get the tent up. Right, we're all stocked up. Last little push, and look, blue sky. Well, there's not many on here. There's somebody where I was thinking of, maybe. Oh, God. Oh. Come on, son. Might have to come back. I don't think they're open. Right, that's alright. Come back later. Oh, let's go and find a spot. Oh, bloody hell, this. Oh, I forgot this gravel is so thick. Oh, come along. You have to wait for me. I'm not moving out of your way. Oh, God. Oh. Bonjour. Oh, no, there isn't. Not where I thought. Right. Now, do we go? Look at that sea. Ah, that looks rough. Right. Trying to think. Right. I might go down by that pod. Let's see. Oh, God. What do we? I don't know whether we'll be that much sheltered. Right, that'll do. Let's find a spot. Right, this'll do here. I can't be bothered to hunt around. I think it's probably going to be just as bad no matter where we are. Just have to remember not to leave anything. Everything will just blow away. too windy. Just try it. In for a penny, in for a pound. Right, that took so long to put the tent up. The battery ran out on the camera. But yeah, we got it up. Yeah, it was hard work, I must admit, in that wind. But yeah, we're all set up now. I'm not sure it's such a good idea here, but never mind. Yeah, that. Oh, look, now what's going on? I'm just having that. It's turkey and trimmings with stuffing and cranberry sauce. So I'm just having lunch now. 19 miles. But looking on the bright side, we've done over 100 miles in these few days that we've been away. I think we're on 115. Hey ho, it was never about that, let's say. It was just about getting to these campsites. So yeah, I think we'll be here for 2 days, I think. Yeah, I don't think it'll be 3, but yeah, possibly 2. I've not made my mind up yet. I'll probably see how it goes later with this wind. Right, I shall go on with my supper. It's lunchtime, and I shall, well, I might speak to you later. I might go and take a wander down the seafront. We'll see. I shall go on with that, and then we'll see. Right, I think we'll just go and have a look at the sea. Hopefully the tent will still be there when we come back, although it's only just over here. I think I might have to be a bit quick. Looks as if there could be a spot of rain coming in over there. Oh, hello little dog. Yeah, blimey, look at that. Oh. Definitely a rough old day. Blimey. Don't know whether the tide's in or it's just the wind blowing it in. Oh, bloody hell.